Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Barachois is a charming village on the eastern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. Barachois is located near the mouth of the Malbaie River, where it meets the Gulf of St. Lawrence. This small community is surrounded by stunning natural beauty, with rugged cliffs, rolling hills, and the vast ocean right at its doorstep. The name Barachois comes from a French term used in eastern Canada to describe a coastal lagoon or pond, separated from the sea by a sandbar. This type of landscape is typical of the area, and it creates a unique and tranquil environment that's perfect for nature lovers. Barachois has a rich history that dates back to the early days of European settlement in Quebec. The village was established by French settlers in the 17th century and has long been a hub for fishing and agriculture. The Malbaie River, which runs through Barachois, was once an important route for transporting goods and connecting the community to other parts of the Gaspé Peninsula. One of the most famous landmarks in Barachois is the Barachois Church, a beautiful old wooden church that has stood here for over a century. It's a symbol of the village's strong sense of community and its deep roots in the region's history. Whether it's the peaceful views of the river, the historic charm of the buildings, or the warm hospitality of the locals, Barachois offers a glimpse into the heart of Quebec's maritime culture.
Thanks for watching!